Hello and welcome again, viewers. Today what we've got is a Moto G4 Motorola, and it is getting a battery replacement. So stay tuned for all the excitement of a G4 battery replacement. Just going to open the box. Yeah, got the battery with it as well, which is handy. Let's make a start. Okay, just going to have a little look around the edges for the indent that I can get my nail in. Well, I haven't got nails, but that I can open the back from. And now we've got plenty of tiny screws. I believe they're T4s. Once I've removed all of them, we'll be able to take the mid frame out. Once that's out, we'll have access to the battery. If you're a fan of this kind of stuff, then by all means please subscribe. We are trying to grow as a channel, and unfortunately we haven't got a great deal of subscribers at the moment, but we are thankful for all that have subscribed. Very much appreciated, thank you very much. But yeah, if you could hit that subscribe button, it'd be very much appreciated. Okay, we've got the mid-frame off, unplug the battery, and there's a bit of tape holding it in, kind of like the Huawei batteries. What I tend to do first is I tend to give it a little bit of heat on the screen. I usually use a heat plate. I try not to use hot air if I can help it, but you can use hot air if you've got if you're using low temperatures. You don't want to burn the screen. A little bit of heat and that'll come out, or you could use ISO. That's another good one. But just pull it away from the phone. This one's a bit tricky, but it should come straight out. Okay, we've got the new battery here. Just going to re-primer the double-sided that's holding the previous battery in, and we'll get that plugged in and we'll get it tested. Just going to put a few screws in just to hold it sort of all in place so it doesn't go flying here, there and everywhere. Not the battery, but the mid-frame and everything else. If it does work, then it's already on and clipped in. Yeah, this little screen cover protector thing is a bit annoying. There's no edge on it. Not getting anything just yet, so it's probably a flat battery, which is a bit annoying, but we'll get that on charge. See if it charges, see if it pulls anything. And yeah, this one you've got to get at an angle, otherwise it won't charge. So obviously the charger port is a little bit naffed. I've checked inside it, give it a clean out, and no, it's not dirt causing that, unfortunately. It is, yeah, it is the charger port itself. It's just a little bit worn, so probably not worth replacing though.
Hello, Moto.
And yeah, as we can see, it charges, it boots, seems to be okay. I unplug it and yeah, it still holds its charge and still on a fair amount, so I'm just going to put the rest of the screws back in, put it all back together, charge it up a little bit more, and then sort of let it deplete and see how quick it is, or slow, as I'm hoping. And after leaving it for a little bit, I'm happy enough with that, so just pop that back in its box, and that's enough for today. But I hope you liked the video, hope it was helpful. Please have a great day. Thank you very much.